everyone, my name is Janavi Roy and my age is 5 and today I am going to share you two recipes. One is spinach corn and one is veggies. Now we are going to put the veggies. Now we are going to put the tomatoes. Now the onions. Now the cook. Now put the head. Now put the bread there. Now done. And now the next sandwich. Take a little bit of spinach corn. Spread it at all the edge. Put the spinach corn everywhere in the bread. Now put little salt, a little bit of salt. Now put a little bit of cheese.